What's up mga basketball? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Before anything else, I would like to say good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. So this is Owen, also known as Basketbolerong Mano, at your service. Alright, so today po, of course, we're going to do some unboxing. Alright, but before anything else, I hope all of you guys are in good shape, in good place, and in good health. Alright? So, sana po lahat tayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Alright? So, welcome back to our channel. So, I'm sorry po kung ngayon na naman ako nakapaggawa ng video. Alright. Okay, let's do it. Here we go mga basketball. Ito na po yon, right? Okay. Buksan na po natin. Okay, this is the receipt. Again, I will put it on this side. And let's do it. Okay. Ilabas na po natin ng dalawa. Okay. Isin na natin sa box. Okay. So, basketball. Ito po yon. Jordan 6 Oreo. Right? So, I decided to have one. Look. Napaka-simple lang po kasi ng colorway nito. Right? So, black and white lang po. Okay? So, wala pong ibang kulay. So, it is just black and white. And of course, yung kwan po niya, some part of the outer sole ay may kwan pong translucent. Alright? Then po, ito po, solid na black. Then of course, the Jumpman is white. Alright? So, no-brainer po. Right? So, napakasimple lang po niya, right? So, black and white. So, it is po a retro Jordan 6 Oreo. Okay? So, yung mga Jordan fan po, alam niyo na po siguro, ang Jordan 6, ito po ang sapatos na first championship. Right? Jordan 6. Jordan 6. Right? Have a closer look, guys, right? So, siguro naman po, most of you will agree na maganda po and simple lang po ang colorway nito. Right? Nothing extraordinary, nothing special, but the thing is the colorway. Right? So, black and white po siya. Okay? Of course, the material, Jordan brand are being consistent. So, maganda po yung leather niya. Okay? So, yung Jumpman po niya, of course, OG po to. Kaya, kung ano po ang Jordan 6, yan po. Of course, ito po, right? Right? So, Air and the Jumpman. Okay? Okay. By the way, if you have any comments po, just continue making a comment. So if even it is negative. But of course, it is also my right to reply, right? So minsan po, kung mean po yung comment, of course, medyo siguro, ang magiging dating po dun sa reply ko ay medyo in a mean way, but I'm just replying. Right? I'm just replying to the comment. And that's the truth. So, kung magmukha man pong rude or mean, it's not my intentional. So, I'm just replying to a comment. Right? Okay, have a closer look guys. Okay. So, para sa akin po, this is a very clean colorway. So, it is just black and white. And I think, medyo po bagay po sa 50 years old Michael Jordan fan na isuot to. Kasi po, black and white lang po. So, hindi po masyadong colorful. Right? Okay. Alright, before I end this video, guys, I would like to show you this new magazine that I bought. Right? The NBA GOAT. Sorry, the NBA GOAT. Right? So, there can only be one. Alright? So, I already read this. And maybe will be biased because from this magazine it's very clear that it's really Michael Jordan, right? Michael Jordan is the NBA GOAT. Okay, so if you have a reaction, feel free. All right? Okay. Salamat po. Thank you very much, mga ka-basketball. And see you whenever.